Since the invention of the first modern elevator in the 1850s, elevators have changed the world in more ways than it seems at first glance. They have had a profound impact on the growth of cities, improved access to public and commercial spaces, and even changed the way we live. The impact that the elevators have on our daily lives cannot be overstated. The same is true for escalators as well. The escalators are often used in places where elevators might be impractical or are used in conjunction with them. Both the elevators and escalators have made the construction of behemoths like skyscrapers and large airports possible and more usable. Just imagine how difficult it would be trying to climb up the stairs of the Burj Khalifa to get to one of the top stories or walk across the world's largest airport to make it to your flight. The elevators and escalators are plagued with EMC and common mode noise, which results in issues like bearing damage, stray currents leaking into the ground, as well as issues for other components in the system. The Blueferrite Nanocrystalline Cores absorb all the noise in the system, reducing the motor-bearing damage and the other damaging effects, improving the reliability of the whole application. Get in touch with our team to know more or if you have any questions, and we would be happy to help you.